Hey, what's up everyone? This is Aram here, back with another video. And today we are going to learn the comments in HTML, that how we use the comments and what comment what is the rule of, or what are the rules of comments in our HTML language. Not in HTML, but in other programming languages also we use comments. So comments are useful to notify or to make the reminders. Like if you are working on a big project, then we need to mention the comments. Why? Because a big project is not managed by one person. It is managed by different persons, 2 or 3 persons. And what these two or three persons do, they write the different codes and they mention some comment, something which is not which is ignored by the browser, and they mention that, and they mention those comments to notify the other person that why he or she used that code. So that's why we use comments. And comments are also, we also use comments to notify ourselves also that why we use this code, or what is the purpose of writing this code. Or sometimes we use to keep a separation between the code lines, that this code is for this section and this code is for this section, for the separation of the sections and other things. So let's get into it. I've already mentioned the heading using h1. Now I'm going to start writing a comment. So for the comment, we start the comment with an exclamation mark or with the exclamation point, and then we use the hyphen sign beside the plus and equal sign. So in here, in between these lines, we can say that this is about comments, and now this. Okay, there shouldn't any space. It should be like exclamation mark and the hyphen signs, and then whatever you want to write between the those lines, you can go with that. Now here I'm just going to say paragraph, and I'm using some dummy text, lorem ipsum. Let's save it, go back to the browser and check what. Okay, so I have opened it in, okay, here it is. This is the title, the heading, and this is the dummy text. Now we cannot see the comments in the browser, but if we go to the developer section, I'm using Google Chrome, and here you can see in the body section, you can see there you can see the comments are written here, but the comments are ignored by the browser. Browser is not showing it, but it is in the developer section. This is about comment. So let's close it. Hope you got the point, the use of comment, and in future and show in our project when we are going to make a project using our knowledge. I will surely use the comments, and I'll use it abundantly. Okay, I prefer to use more and more comments to keep the sections or other things of my code separately. So now let's move on to the other topic, and the next topic is link. What is link? We use the links for linking our site to the external pages or within the website. Two kinds of links. There are two kinds of links, like the absolute and relative. Okay, now absolute and relative. Absolute links are the external links, and the relative links are the links we use within the website. Like if you know that we use the links within the site. Yeah, I mistook. I'm sorry. I was just thinking about the spellings. So here, okay. So the absolute links, like if we want to link this page to any external website, external page, then the link I'm going to use, that is an absolute link. And if I want to create some other pages for my website, like about us, contact, or a blog page, then or a blog, then I use the links what I will use. Those links will be known as the relative links. So let's start that how we write the links. We use a anchor tag. It is in the pair, the opening and the closing anchor tag. And within this anchor tag, we use href. Href is hypertext reference, and what this hypertext reference do, it helps to create a link. Okay, within these quotation marks, we use the link, whatever we want to link, we use within these quotation marks. And how we can use that, let's write something that https and no dot okay, and here I just want to say National Geographic. Okay, let's create another link, anchor tag, href, hypertext reference, and then another https and wikipedia.com. I think I'm writing these are the correct links I'm writing, but if not, we will check. Okay, I'll explain. Let me write another link and I'll explain this to you. And let's say, okay, this is the link. Okay, within the opening tag, anchor tag, href, a tag, href, this is the link, and this is what this text will take us to that link. Okay, this text will help us. When we click on this text, we will reach to this specific page. Same as here, when we click on Wikipedia, we will reach to this page. This is the page link, and these are the absolute links. So let's save it and go back to the browser. So you can see we have a National Geographic, Wikipedia, and Science. Let's click on National Geographic, and the National Geographic page is open here. The site is open here. Okay, my browser is a bit slow. Okay. So here is National Geographic page. Okay, it is here. Yeah, let's go back and check another link, Wikipedia. If I click on this, I've already opened here, but let me close them from here. And to get the proper links, this is the Wikipedia. Let's go back and check the last one, this science, and we are going to be here and on sciencechannel.com. So this is how the absolute links work. Now let's go back and create some relative links. Let me create some files. Let me say about.html and about.html, and let me say contact.html. 2 pages are enough just for the demo purposes. So here, let me write something here within this demo page. Or, title should be about us, and let me write I'm just creating some dummy pages to link them to make it clear to you. About us is coming soon. Let's save it. Go to the contact page. Let me change the title. Contact us here. Now we will get back to you soon. Okay, let me save it. Let's go back to the index page, our main page. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mention these pages here. So first of all, I would like to have a paragraph. Here I want to say dummy text, and within this paragraph I want to have my links. Okay, so anchor tag, href, and here I just want to see my editor is showing me. If you don't have the Emmet, it will not show you, but if you have the Emmet, it will show you. You can just write about.html, and here I just say about us, and then I'm going to say again another link, and it is about contact.html. Let me close it and I just say contact us. Save it, go back to the browser. Here you can see I have about us and contact us page. When I click here on about us is coming soon, and you can see the title is also about us. Let's go back. There is a contact us, the other page. You see the title, contact us, and we will get back to you soon. So this is how the link within the website, the link works, and we call them relative links. Okay, these are the relative URLs or the relative links. The one we had done before, those are the absolute links, because when we gave the information of that, when we have written the proper links, these are the absolute links. They are not moving anywhere, so that's why these are the absolute links, and these are the relative links, like they are within the page, and these are the external links, so they are the absolute and so I think now you can understand the difference between absolute and relative links. So there is another type of link also, which is known as, let me remove this. Okay, there is another type of link that is known as mail to link. So let me keep it here, because later I have to explain something else to you. So the other type of link is, let me say, heading 2. Okay, and here within this H2 heading 2, I'm just going to say mail to. Now what is this mail to link? Let's learn about it. Let's say the syntax is same. anchor tag, then href, and then within this href we use so I'm sorry, there is some music down in the street. So the mail to text, the mail to link. The mail to link is, the syntax is same. I think I mentioned just this outside music distracts me. And we are going to use href. And here within this href we are going to say mail to colon. And here I'm just using some dummy mail address, test@gmail.com, and here I should say email to test. Okay, let's save it, go back to the browser, and here when we click this email to test, I have this Outlook what we say, Outlook email, or it is just connected to the way I have to send an email. Why we use this? When we use this email, if you have noticed in the other websites, there are some forms within the contact section, and they just mention that about the name. They ask you the information, name, message, and the subject. That mail, whatever the message you have when you write to that company or to that person, that mail is connected to this mail to link, and that then the person receive the mail within his email address, whatever he or she has connected with this link, okay, connected to this text. So the same thing, we don't want to show, if you don't want to show your email address, whatever the email address you are using, if you don't want to show, then you can use this mail to link it to your email address, to receive the email address in your to receive the emails in your specific address. Okay, so I think I explain you well, and I'm sorry for the background music I am having from down the street, and if it is distracting to you, it is also distracting to me. And now let's create something else. Like, it is about link, and it is about the targeting. It is about targeting the links. Okay, let me pause it and let me wait this music to be stopped. I'm sorry. Okay, welcome back. Now the music stops. So now I have what I'm going to define is a target attribute. There is an attribute which is known as target, and the target attribute specifies the name or keyword about targeting. Okay, now how we can use this target attribute? Let's if you remember, when I was using these links, when I clicked on them, when I clicked on the link, it just opened in the same page, and it doesn't like, I'm just distracted from my previous page. I lost my previous page from where I come to this page. I need to press the back button and I have to go back to my main page. Okay, so to remove this problem, what we can do, we can use a target attribute here within our link. So here I'm going to use target within our anchor tag actually, and I'm going to say target would be target is equal to and quotation mark, and I'm just going to say blank. Why I'm saying blank? That this page should open in another tab, in another browser tab. Okay, so that's why I'm using this. Again, I'm going to say target, and I want it to be open in a other tag or in a blank tab. in the browser. And the same thing I'm going to apply here just to make it more specific. BLAMK blank. Okay, and the same I want to, because when I click on about or contact button, these pages were also open in the main page where I have mentioned the comment. So I don't want that, and I want it to be open in a different tab, and in the different tab of a browser, or in a new tab of the browser. So I should say target. It is going to target the blank tab from the browser. Okay, and I'm stuck here. And here. Okay, let me save it. Go back to the browser. Okay, now when I click on this National Geographic, you see this is the other, this is a separate page, and this link is open in a new tab. Okay, in a new tab of my browser. The same Wikipedia. Oh, okay, there is a mistake. I will correct it, because it is also opening in a new tab, but it removes the first one. So we will solve this problem, but right now I just want to explain that what this target attribute works, or how this target attribute works, and how we can use it. We can solve this problem later. Okay, and now I'm going to say the about us page. So here the about us page is going to open in a new tab, but it removes that Wikipedia tab. I want it to be open in different tabs of the browser. So we will fix it later. Right now my purpose was to explain you this target attribute. Okay, surely we'll get back it to you, and I'll explain it to you later in more detail. I think it's enough for today. So in the future video we will learn something else about the links, and more about the links, and we'll start another lesson. Okay, so bye for now, and see you next time. Hasta la vista, and ciao ciao.